Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Electronics Technology. News is easy way to find the right development kit. Finding the right development kit is no longer a struggle. An online hub brings boards, tools, and documents together to help you explore, compare, and build fast. Element 14 launches the Dev Kit HQ for embedded evaluation boards, kits, and tools. If you are an engineer who is into the embedded domain, you likely agree that finding the right development kit is very challenging. It's not that everyone is dependent on the kits, but many of us rely on kits to explore new technologies before starting projects. But discovering the right evaluation boards, SBCs, single board computers, tools, and technical documents can be time-consuming. Many of us prefer development kits that have common, easy-to-connect interfaces and can be expanded with extra modules. Because no single kit often does everything you need. Generally, engineers mix and match different kits or modify them to build early prototypes and test ideas before moving to final designs. To address these needs, Element 14 has launched the Dev Kit HQ, an online resource that brings evaluation boards, development kits, single board computers, SBCs, tools, and technical documents together in one place. The platform lets you discover, compare, and select solutions from leading semiconductor and hardware suppliers quickly. You can find the latest development kits and modular solutions by application, explore available demo and application software, or locate evaluation boards matching a supplier's product family or series. Each kit includes datasheets, application notes, training videos, reference designs, and more. Together, these resources can help engineers accelerate design decisions and drive innovation across applications including AI, IoT, sensors, wireless, motor control, and power management. Our mission is to make life easier for design engineers, said Daniel Ford, Vice President of Sales at Element 14. With the DevKit HQ, we've created the leading destination where they can search development kits by application, as well as explore new technologies, experiment with the latest kits, and move from idea to prototype faster, freeing up more time to focus on innovation. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology